Hello friends, welcome to the new video of the WebStore028. So you all are aware that we have launched the WBOT CRM, so which is the Chrome extension. So this video is for the basic instruction how to install the WBOT CRM. Okay, so this will be our website wbotcrm.in. You have to go here. So first option to download CRM. Here you will find download CRM. Okay, another option here download WBOT CRM. Okay, if you want to check the pricing, here is the pricing. You can check the pricing here also. All the pricing are Razor Pay is integrated, so you can directly purchase from portal also. So I will show you how to install the WBOT CRM. So see, you have to click here. The file download will be started. Okay, WBOT CRM. So what I will be doing, I will be putting it on a desktop. Okay, so okay, so let the download completed. Okay, okay, so download completed now. So first of all, what we have to do, just extract it, extract the folder here. Okay, so the new folder is created. So you don't have to select this file, you have to select the folder. So now you can integrate your WBOT CRM with any Chromium browser. Okay, so basically this is the Brave browser where I am showing you. So what we will do, we will go to settings here in extension, and here you have to enable the developer mode. See, you must be seeing this much on option only. So you have to enable the developer mode from here and load unpacked extension and select the file WBOT CRM. Okay, so the CRM will be integrated. See, now WhatsApp is refreshing. It will be automatically refreshed. So meanwhile, I will show you the platform functionalities here. See, this is the most stable CRM right now. So many versions are there in the market, but that have so many issues. Some functions are not working. License system is not working, but in our platform, license system is also 100% working. Okay. So depend on your internet speed, it will be loaded here. You can check the details. CRM. This is the latest version 2.0.1. You can, if you want to pin it here, you can pin it. So when you open the browser, you just click on here and the WhatsApp will be started. Allow in incognito mode, you can enable it, disable it. Okay. Since my internet is little bit down, so it is taking the time. So just here your plugin will be open and you can use it easily. So this is the basic video. See, your plugin is open now. You just have to go here. You will be able to see here the plans. Okay, basically we are giving only 1 year plan only. 1 year plan is there only for 1 month, 3 months is just showing here. So you have to purchase the license key from me. I will give you the license key. Click on any function here. Insert license key. License key is tagged with your WhatsApp number. Save it. See, once the license is activated, you can see all the features here. If you want to check your license detail, you can check in the plan details. So I have kept it as the longest possible. So it is expiring on 2099. So it's a premium now. The plan is premium. You will be able to see your license key here. So I will remove this license key as it is visible, though it is tagged with the number. Okay, so this is a basic video how to install the WBOT CRM.